Picture this. You wake up at 3 a.m. in your Spider-Man pajamas, randomly craving a penthouse in Lisbon. You grab your phone, open a real estate website, and boom! An AI pops up, ready to negotiate a multi-million-dollar deal before you've even brushed your teeth. Welcome to the future of real estate, where human agents are sweating, and AI is closing $100 million in sales. Yep, you heard that right. An AI-powered virtual agent, built by eSelf AI and now working with Porta da Fente Christie's, has sold over $100 million worth of property. No coffee breaks, no commission demands, no, sorry, I'm out of office, emails. Just pure, cold, calculating efficiency. This isn't some clunky chatbot asking if you want fries with that mansion. This AI handles thousands of inquiries, provides instant responses, and even offers on-demand virtual tours. No awkward small talk, no hard sells, just you and your dream property, without the middleman. And guess who's loving this? International investors. Americans, Brazilians, anyone tired of dealing with different time zones and agents who respond 3 days later with, "Hi." Just seeing this now, the AI is awake 24/7. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't need a vacation, and it definitely doesn't ghost you after one conversation. But hold on, does this mean human real estate agents are done? Is this the beginning of their extinction? Should they all start learning how to code or open food trucks or something? Honestly? Maybe. AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's a competitor. With access to over 5,000 properties and zero hesitation in closing deals, this thing is moving faster than the housing market itself. So here's the billion-dollar question. Would you trust an AI to handle your next real estate investment? Would you rather deal with a glitch-proof, always-on AI, or stick with a human who might circle back next week, because they just got swamped? Let me know in the comments, are you ready for AI to take over the real estate game? Or are you clinging to the good old handshake and paperwork days? Either way, the future is here, and it's selling luxury villas before you've even finished your morning cereal.